Very important update, very important information on NEET UG 2026 examination which held on 3rd May since the correction window is finally open. Yes, and you have last chance to correct your information, spelling mistake, incomplete information, anything. Go to the website neet.enta.nic.in neet.enta.nic.in and the correction window is open until 14 March midnight. 14th March Saturday midnight the correction window is open. You not correct these four information. Remember which four information you not correct: your mobile number, your email ID, your present and permanent address. You not correct these four information. Remember, and you can correct the any information. If there are incomplete information, spelling mistake, go to this website I told neet.ent.nic.in until 14 March Saturday midnight and correct any information. Spelling mistake though, you also correct spelling mistake though. So visit that window and share this information for the maximum student. They look for share, and if you like, subscribe, share. Thanks.